Hello guys, this is Karthik and you are watching Knowledge Vlogger YouTube channel. Guys, before entering into the video, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I know that you are gonna definitely subscribe my YouTube channel, so thanks in advance. Guys, before entering into the video, I need to address something. My English will not be that much good. Try to understand what I am saying. I am not a native speaker of English, so my English will not be that much good. If you feel uncomfortable with my English, I am extremely sorry for that. Guys, let's jump into the topic. Today's topic is about common mistakes people usually do in the stock market. Guys, this video is very essential for the beginners because I came to this stage only after I am being a beginner, okay? I know what are the mistakes people usually do while they start trading or investing in the stock market. I know how their starting stages will be in the stock market, so I can able to easily understand the people's psychological behavior while during trading or investing in the stock market. So guys, if you are a beginner, please consider watching this video completely because regretting after made some losses is of no use. I cannot completely say that you are gonna make some profit daily because no trader or no investor will daily make some profits. At some point of time, even a experienced trader or investor will definitely do some losses. If you ask a successful trader or a investor, or if you read a life of a successful trader or a investor, you can see that at some point of time in the beginning that peoples will make some heavy losses in the market, like their whole capital will be ruined. Even though their whole capital ruined, but they never stop trading or investing, or and also they will never stop learning about the stock market. This is the most important point in the market. You should definitely learn daily about the market. Even a experienced person in the market will say that he learned only some percentage of the market. See guys, even a experienced person saying that he has learned only some percentage, then see the state of us. We don't even know anything about the market, then what is our capability in doing profits in the market? Think like that, okay? Okay, let's jump into the common mistakes people usually do in the market. The first mistake I noticed people means beginners, exclusively beginners do in the market is lack of knowledge. They will just jump into the market without any knowledge about the market, and they make some losses and they will blame the market. Like if you put money in the market, you will gonna ruin all your money and your life is also be ruined in the market. This is a complete bullshit I have heard ever. Think logically. Whose mistake here? Does the market done anything bad to? No, market haven't done anything to that person. It is completely the mistake of that person who lacks complete knowledge about the market. See guys, is it possible to write a sentence without knowing a single alphabet of the English language? No, right? Then how can you expect that without learning anything you can earn money in the stock market? I have seen people say that don't put money in the market, you will definitely ruin everything. But the guy who said this sentence have nil knowledge about the market. It doesn't even know what is a stock exchange, what are shares, what are the types of shares, like what are the different types of trade people usually do. He doesn't have knowledge about anything. He just likely tell people that don't invest money in the market. Okay, this is the type of behavior people have. I have seen this type of people. So guys, please study some basic concepts of the market before entering into the market. Without knowing anything, don't enter into the market. Guys, the second mistake people usually do in the market is greediness of money, okay? People always think that if we bring some 10,000 or 20,000 in the market, we can easily gain daily 500 to 1000 rupees. Is it that easy? If it is that much easy, every person in the world will start trading in the stock market. No person will do any work. Everybody will start investing in the market. It's not that much easy, okay? The market will never be same daily. Daily the market will follow different types of trends. Only after learning and practicing the trading at different trends of the market, you can at least gain some money even after gaining a lot of experience and gaining lot of knowledge in the market, a person cannot make profit consistently. I can damn surely say that, because even experienced traders making losses in the market, while comparing to them we are not that much equal to that people. So guys, please never have a mindset like if we enter into the market we can daily earn some money and we can easily run our life. Please don't enter into the market with that mindset. It's not real, it's a completely vague, okay, what you are saying is. Because I have seen some people who make videos like with 10,000 rupees you can easily make daily 500 rupees in the market, okay. That is not even possible. So guys, please don't believe anyone who is saying you can make daily 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. It is not completely possible, okay. At first you need to make some 1000 rupees in the market. You need to have some high amount of capital. Only after having some that much of capital you can make at least 1000 rupees daily. Guys, please take into your mind one thing. Trading in the market is not that much easy, okay. Please have that thing strongly enter into your mind, okay. It is not that much easy. People are saying that it is easy, but it's not that much easy. If a person say that it is easy, before coming to that stage that person faced lot of losses in the market, and he would have learned a lot of things. Guys, the third mistake people or beginners usually do in the market is giving up. I know it's a little bit difficult to correct this mistake, because at some point of time I made heavy losses, but I never gave up at that point of time, okay. For some time I took some gap, and after the gap I again came into the market and I started trading. Today I am not making consistent profit. If I made profit for 3 days, the fourth day I would make a loss that equals to the profit of the first 2 days I traded, which means I made a profit for only 1 day. This is how a market works. After gaining lot of knowledge, at least you can reduce the percentage of making the losses. You cannot take the loss percentage to 0, okay. It is not even possible for anyone. Have that thing in your mind. And also, if a person made some losses, he will certainly go into depression. I know how it feels like when our money is going out without any use. I have been in that state, so I know how it feels if your money is going out without of any use. So that's why I am saying learn a lot, okay. At least try to cut your losses. If your loss is if you face a loss of 1000 rupees, try to compress that loss to 500 to 600 rupees. And also I can surely say one, after doing lot of trades, you can think that how you have traded some months ago, there will be a drastic change into your trading and investing strategies. You would have become a best trader after continuously trading for 3 to 6 months, because you will started to learning from the market. The market will teach you how to trade in the market, okay. Listen carefully, the market will teach you to how to trade in the market. Why? By doing continuous trading and investing, you can able to easily study the market, and it feels like the market talking to you. If you come to that stage, you are at the end of the state of a beginner and also a starting of the medium trader. So what I am saying is, if you face some losses, take some gap, but never give up, okay. And the fourth mistake people usually do in the market is bringing lot of capital in the beginning itself. What I am suggesting is, start trading with around 3 to 5k rupees, okay. It's best to trade with 3000 to 5000. Do lot of trades with this money. Make some losses. If your capital is around 3k to 5k, then your losses would be very small, but you can able to easily bear that loss. But do as much of trades or investment with that money, okay. See how you can able to multiply that money, or how it's going out from your hand. Study each and every trends of the market. Trade trends of the market and experience the each and every trend of the market. How to trade in this trend, how to trade in the sideway market, how to trade in the bull market, how to trade in the bear market. Likewise, you can study each and every trends of the market. You cannot study each of this in any book or any podcast or any video. You can only learn this by experiencing only. Okay, if you face a loss, think that it is a fees you pay to the market for learning something. It is the best way to calm your mind. But I can sure that if you made some losses, these losses will help you to make some good profit in the long run. So what I am suggesting is, start with a small capital, but make that capital to do lot of trades, rotate that capital and learn a lot. Guys, the main thing of the market is doing a lot of learning and doing a lot of quality trades. Note here, what I am saying is quality trades. Okay, by doing with the combination of both these things, you can able to succeed in the market in the long run. Okay, I know at the start of the trading or investing journey, it will be a really difficult task to follow each of these steps, but try to reduce your losses and try to follow what I am saying. Learn a lot and implement the knowledge that you have learned in the market, and even after you faced some loss, analyze why you have faced that loss and never do that mistake in the long run. Okay, this is how you can able to learn the market. What I am saying is just a 0.00001%. If you enter into the market, you will definitely learn on your own, or the market will definitely teach you. Okay guys, we came to the end of the video. What I want to say at the end is, by studying a lot and by implementing the knowledge into the market practically, only with these two methods you can able to succeed in the market. Analyze a lot, watch the market as much as possible, read lot of financial news, read other people's experience in the market. Guys, there is something called a best way to learn is learning from the others' mistake. Implement that quote into your life. Learn other people's mistake and have a mind that you should not make this mistake in your trades. Okay, have a strict entry and exit into the market. Guys, before entering into a trade, decide at what point of the time you need to enter into the market and at what point of the time you need to exit the market. This is the most important thing you need to notice. Many people will never choose a entry point or exit point. They just like that enter into the market and they do some losses and they will regret after making some losses. So guys, before entering into the market, try to analyze and get a clear cut of how the market gonna move and follow the trend of the market and do some profit. This is what I want to say at the end of the video. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video completely. See you all with another interesting topic. Until then, this is Karthik signing off here. Bye bye.